Hello guys, in this video let's see how to fix Windows screen size. So first you need to tap on the start menu like this, then after go to setting. In this menu tap on display option. If you have several monitors, you have to select the which monitor you need to change the screen size. Then scroll down a little bit. There is option called scale and layout. In the scale section you can see it is set as recommended and 100% and 120% is available. If you don't need to, your screen will be blurry, you have to select the recommended 100% option just like this. Then after come to the display resolution, so it should also be in the recommended option like this. There are several options here, but those options will be blurry your screen, so you have to set the recommended version. And if you need to change your text size without changing the scale, you can again go to accessibility in the left side menu like this, tap on text size. You can see now it is in the minimal size. You can increase the size like this. There is a reactive version in here. You can see real time it is changing like this. So then after tap on apply. Once it is done, you can close this one. If you can't that display options in that setting menu, you can right click on the start menu. In this menu, go to device manager option, double tap on the display adapters, select your graphic driver, right click on it, tap on update driver and choose the first option in here. And if it is say already installed, you can go back and select the second option, select this one, select your graphic driver, tap on next. This will reinstall the same driver. So it also helps to fix your issue if current driver has some kind of issue. This will reinstall the latest driver again. And finally you can right click on it, go to properties, go to driver option. If you install latest version of your graphic card, then after if there is issue happened, you can roll back driver. And if you see the magnification of your screen, you can again go to setting, left side menu, go to accessibility, and there is option called magnifier. Make sure to turn it off like this. If it is turned on, you can see all the things will be magnified. So this is how you can fix your Windows screen size and fix the issues related with that one. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.